Hi everyone, I'm doing an unboxing on HelloFresh. This is not sponsored by them, this is a tryout. So we bought this one box for $37 and then we'll make up our mind later if we want to resubscribe to them later. So this is just kind of like a trial purchase. So this is just the one box that we purchased. So I'll probably do a follow-up video on this with my thoughts on cooking the food, but this is just what's in the box. Now this was on sale, but they were giving us deals, promotion, whatever you want to call it. So it comes in a double box. It looks like a handy dandy recipe sheet for making stuff. And then it comes nicely packaged. And then we got a random bundle of garlic. I don't know if that, so that's like an extra. A pad, cardboard pad. And then meat. Freezer pack. It's winter time, but still that's good. And then more meat. Okay, so we'll cook a dish with this up, and I'll do a follow-up video on my thoughts on the taste and the cooking process, and I'll let you guys know, but that's the unboxing for now, so see you later. This is a voiceover after me and Lorraine ate the pork spring roll inspired dish by HelloFresh, and I would probably give it an 8 out of 10 for some context, and my wife gave it a 7 out of 10. It tastes different than what I'm normally used to, so other dishes might be better, and you might like better. But if I were to compare it to, let's say, if you have a person that's like really good at cooking and they can cook from scratch, they might be like a 10 out of 10. So it's pretty good if you want to throw something together quickly, but if you're doing it from scratch, you may be able to do something better yourself.
That's the spring roll recipe.
It's good, but still my wife's cooking is better.
But I cooked it.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying it doesn't taste like Filipino.